We have already halfway through the year. Just like that, what have you done? What has changed about you? What goals have you accomplished? As humans, we all have become subjects to our habits, good or bad. There are so many times when we wish for things to change in our lives, our financial situation, our health, our bodies, but what steps do we actually take? So usually none. Start small, write down 5 or 10 goals for the day, and don't go to bed without completing them. Give yourself a plan, a method that can lead you to who and where you want to with precision. Create goals that are quantitative and realistic. We all have to start somewhere. The hardest part is sitting one step every day. Will take you further than what form of wishful thinking you have. But this as your guide, your habits will eventually change. They don't have a choice. You will look forward to the goals you have for the day and will be relentless to check them off. And when you do, you create a small win for yourself. Fall in love with the process. This will force you to stop looking at the destination and focus on the path you are on now. Success is usually a small portion of the process. Keep it in mind, but don't idealize it. After a while you will start to feel like you don't want to do hard things anymore. This is when you have to remember you why you're motivate. Why do I get a why am I doing this? What am I working towards? When you ask yourself these things, you will realize that your goals are bigger than the way you feel now. And when you notice that you feel unmotivated, you acknowledge that you have lost your motive. So find it these small wins set the tone for the day, and eventually you have created so many small wins that the day in itself was a win. And doing this creates a week and a month of wins, so and so on. You will become a person so far from who you were you don't recognize yourself. So take a step forward today and tomorrow and the next day. And when your goals seems out of reach, remember all it takes is just one step.